Today, we're demoing GoodShare. GoodShare is a web app that allows you to post any unwanted goods, ranging from food to random items around your house. It allows users to scroll through posts in their area or search for specific needs that they want to find, like unique antiques or yummy food up for grabs. Through this, you're able to get rid of your waste without the environmentally detrimental effects that come with simply just throwing it away. Not to mention the added bonus of being able to help someone in need and responsibly disposing your trash. To get involved, all you need is an account. No credit card or payment service needed. This way, we're able to bring together community members without discrimination or financial boundaries, all while promoting sustainability and environmentalism.
In order to use our applications, users need to be registered on our web app. For that, we have a registration page here. Let's click on that and register a user here. Once we have entered the details of user, so just create that user. Try to access that application with the created user, and now you are good to log in. Once you're logged in, you have two options on our home screen. One is giveaway and the second one is pickup. Giving away is for posting stuff on the web app so that other people who are in need of looking for those clothes, food, and all those categories can be able to search in the pickup option. So let's try to post some stuff in our giveaway. So here we have three different posts: food, clothes, and household item. Each of them have their own options. Household items has their options, clothes have their options, food has their options. Let's try to post a food. We are using Maps API to access longitude and latitude of these cities. So by accessing these longitude and latitudes, we can search the nearest available pickups onto our website. So now we are on our home page. Our post is complete. Now, as a user who's looking for products, we want to search products nearest to us. We can go and in a similar manner, we can look for stuff in the other requests. We can put stuff in clothes. We can put details in our food. Let's try to find the food which we just created. And if we click on pickup, we have our Doritos, which we just posted with the contact number we provided.